What's up everybody, it's Frankie D. I'm gonna tell you why you do not need to hire an exterminator. Easy DIY bug extermination at your house, non-toxic to pets after it dries. I was doing some flooring, I had a whole bunch of scrap flooring material in a pile. When I started throwing it away after a few months, all the crickets started popping out. It was crazy, it was like an infestation. Then after that, the black widows came because they wanted to eat the crickets. So I looked into hiring an extermination company. I realized that these extermination companies were not only expensive, but they wanted long-term contracts, and all this guy does is come and spray once a month around the perimeter of your house, which you can do easily yourself. Just do this as needed once a month and you will notice the mass extinction of bugs, crickets, anything in its path all around the perimeter of your house when you spray it. Alright guys, so here's the stuff that I bought from Amazon. It was not cheap. This poison is concentrated and it is quite expensive, and this pump wasn't too bad, but it'll last you for, I mean, I've had this for years. Depending on what you want to kill, you look in the instruction booklet and it'll give you the amount to put into the reservoir on top here, and you pour that into here, mix it with water. Easy, just pump this a few times. And you just spray around the perimeter. I do it all around the trash cans and any place that there would be crickets or ants or whatever. Hope you enjoyed this little hack with extermination around your house. It is way cheaper than hiring someone to do it, and you can do it whenever you want. It's really easy. You can do it inside. Just let it dry before you go around it, or your dogs or cats. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. My name is Frankie D. Peace.